Hey guys, Alex here with Alex Perez Roofing, and today we're in downtown Sacramento. Property owner had called me, had multiple leaks throughout some of these units inside, leaking throughout the winters. She went and attempted repairs over the last several years. I got on the roof and figured out that the only way we're gonna stop this is we have to bring it down to the plywood, replace any dry rot. We replaced about 30 sheets of plywood through the field of the roof. Now we're installing a 1.8 insulator polyiso system, brand new flashing, brand new gutters, new downspouts, and now we're installing a TPO system that's gonna last for 20 years with a 10-year in-house warranty by Alex Perez Roofing. Behind me here, we're working on a low slope re-roof system, replacing all the dry rot, making sure the deck is good, and getting ready for our TPO installation system. Let's take a look to see what the guys are up to. You can see here along the eave, it was over 300 linear feet of OSB to replace. That's our overhang that was failing from a poor gutter system and a poor drainage system. In the field, over 15 sheets that got replaced. Here you can see we replaced them, ready for our pre-deck inspection. And right behind me here, we're at the end where we're getting everything 100% ready. The last sheet to replace on the overhang eave. Now that the whole eave is installed the right way, we got all our fascia board. This is exactly why you want to replace the wood, because you don't want to go over existing dry rot. We want to ensure that we replace all the dry rot in the field, install new plywood, put everything down so you have a good system and you're not going over existing dry rot. Now we go into hanging gutters, hanging downspouts, putting down our poly system, and then getting ready for PPO. And so all our property management, that's why I'm very big on removing the roof and not doing an overlay over an existing roof. When you go over an existing roof, you're just burying dry rot. Then you can lose integrity of the roof, even collapse the roof in certain areas, causing more damage to the inside of these units. So we want to take it down to the substrate, really replace all the wood that's damaged in every section. That way it's a good substrate. Then we can go in with the fresh one layer of roofing material to ensure that it lasts, and you're not putting a system that's only going to last 5 to 10 years because you're going over an existing dry rot. So I'm very big going down to the plywood, replacing it the right way so that you have a watertight system moving forward.